Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Audi A4 garage door opener. First, locate the 3 home link buttons, usually found on your car's overhead console. To clear any previous programming, press and hold the 2 outer home link buttons at the same time. Keep holding them for about 20 seconds until the indicator light above them starts to flash rapidly. This rapid flashing confirms that the memory has been successfully cleared. Now, let's program your remote. Take your garage door remote and hold it about 2 to 5 inches away from the home link buttons in your Audi. Choose one of the 3 home link buttons you want to program. Simultaneously press and hold both your chosen home link button and the button on your garage door remote. Keep holding them until the home link indicator light first flashes slowly, then quickly. This indicates successful programming. Next, we need to sync your car with the garage door opener itself. Go to your garage door opener motor unit, usually mounted on the ceiling. Find the Learn or Smart button, which might be a different color. Press this button firmly. Its indicator light will typically stay lit for about 30 seconds. Quickly return to your Audi and press the home link button you just programmed 3 times. This should complete the synchronization process. Finally, it's time to test your new setup. Press the home link button you programmed and confirm that your garage door opens and closes as expected. If you have other garage doors or gates, simply repeat these steps for the remaining home link buttons. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy the convenience of your newly connected Audi A4 garage door opener.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.